Now it may be useful to compare the two systems. This understanding will become helpful when we have to place division-marked equipment in a zone-classified facility or zone-marked equipment in a division-classified facility. The formal definitions for Class 1 Division 2 and Zone 2 are identical. This indicates that the level of explosion risk is equal. This also implies that if an equipment item is safe for installation in Zone 2, it will be safe for installation in Class 1 Division 2. This rationale does not work when we compare Class 1 Division 1 and Zone 1 classifications. Class 1 Division 1 encompasses both likely to exist and continuous criteria to a flammable gas hazard. It is an amalgamation of Zone 0 and Zone 1 from a risk perspective. Using this knowledge, we can deduce that a product suitable for Class 1 Division 1 will be suitable for Zone 1. This, however, is not true for a Zone 1 product being installed in a Class 1 Division 1 location. The definition for Class 1 Division 1 incorporates both continuous and likely to exist criteria. Zone 1 equipment is not intended for continuous gas environments. Now we might conclude that a Class 1 Division 1 product would be suitable for a Zone 0 location, but this is not true. The Canadian Electrical Code has restrictions on what products may be used in a Zone 0 location. We will talk more about this later in the course.